I think I try my best to use not too many chemicals on my face. Um, so like especially after a workout, when I when everybody feels really good, I don't use any soap on my face. I just wash my face with water. Otherwise, I use a very mild soap-free kind of face wash. Once in the morning and once at night. In fact, not in the morning. Sorry, I don't use a face wash in the morning. I only use it at night. I just wake up in the morning and wash my face, just with water. I use a pack that I make, which I don't use very often, but whenever I can, which basically is oatmeal and milk and atta and almonds, or whatever. It depends on what my face is feeling like. I use a lot of stuff from the kitchen. Um, Kheera sometimes, papaya sometimes, berries, tomatoes, depending on what my skin is feeling like. I think because I've grown up uh, with stuff like this on my face, I kind of instinctively know what I want to put on my face, and that's what I put. And if I don't feel right, then I change it. Like I use milk when my skin is feeling dry, and I use curd when my skin is feeling oily. Um, I use honey to moisturize quite often. It feels great. Um, I also have some serums that I use. Vitamin E, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Um, I use a hydrating moisturizer, but that's about it. I actually don't overburden my face. In my day-to-day life, I don't use even a spot of makeup, no foundation. Even on screen, I use very, very little foundation. In fact, I've gone, in Murder 3, I went without foundation on my face in half of the film. London, Paris, New York, I had very little foundation. So like that, I mean, I've had good DOPs. We are lucky, we work with very good people today, so they make us look good. Plus there's genes. I also make sure I eat the right food. I do eat a lot of chaat, but then I balance it out with fish, and I take my fish oil capsules. I do basic stuff. I believe in natural remedies. I stick to that. If I break out, I immediately put chandan on it. It dries it up and it goes. Or the mosquito bites are the things that plague me. Kailash Jeevan. Oh God, yes, yes. Oh my God, the most exciting thing in my life is Kailash Jeevan, which it's one, I don't know what that ointment is, but it works. Whatever happens, it works.
I will contradict there. I won't say every skin type should be using Kailash Jeevan. I've
No,
seen
not on your face,
terrible burns with Kailash Jeevan. So yeah, I've seen very bad burns with scar.
You know, I agree with what doctor said. Don't stuff yourself with rubbish food. But I think sometimes you need to eat a little rubbish to be happy. But that little rubbish has to be eaten in moderation. So you have a piece of chocolate and not a whole bar of chocolate. You have one round of Golgappa and not Golgappa every day of the month. But I also believe that healthy eating, if your tummy is clean and if your tummy is healthy, then your skin is healthy. And I think a lot of people are highly depressed when their skin is not good, and it really causes them a lot of pain. So I think it is very important to eat right, and with my profession, it's really difficult to eat right because most of the time, this last month and a half, I've literally lived in the car. I have my razai in the car, I have all my bags in the car. But what I have done, and I'm talking about just this last month, it changes from month to month, is I have a dabba of, as doctor said, seeds. Sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. I mix them up and I keep this dabba, and I have a little whenever I'm really, really hungry, and it immediately satisfies the hunger. I eat a lot of fish, which also helps me. As in, even if I'm out somewhere, rather than pick up a burger, I will try and get, whether it's a fish tikka or a chicken tikka or whatever it is. I make sure that I keep my face clean, which is very important, I think, because there's a lot of pollution, there's a lot of dust. If I can't use a face wash, which is not always possible, like I have makeup on my face quite often if I'm shooting, but I make sure that I take it off at night. It's really important. Whoever uses makeup, like I don't use makeup in my day-to-day work, in my day-to-day life. But because I work all the time, I need to put on some makeup. But I make sure that I remove every ounce of it before I go to sleep. And I make sure that I hydrate my face. It's really important to drink water. Very important to have fruit. Also, I think to listen to your body. Because sometimes your body craves something, I think you should give your body that. But I think greed is something that you should throw out of your life because greed is something that causes havoc. So if you crave, like I said, you crave a chocolate, eat it, but don't have like 5 bars of chocolate every day. I'm very instinctive. It's so difficult for me to give you tips because I do things completely by instinct and completely by what my body wants because I've been dancing since I was a child. As I said, I've also grown up with Ayurveda and I've grown up eating organic food. So for me, I literally go by what my body wants. Yoga, very important, very, very important for me. I think that's what keeps me sane. Yoga, music, dance. I think when you occupy your mind and body with something that is wholesome, I think that keeps you very happy and keeps you very fit. I know it sounds very esoteric and very in the air, but really it's very important. There's so many people whose lives have changed if they pick up an instrument or if they start singing or if they start dancing or if they start doing yoga. It's a huge thing. It seems like a very small thing, but it's a very big thing. For me, it's one of the most important things in my life.